The city was loud, but Sarah's mind was even louder. She was a successful lawyer, always busy, always checking her phone. She had everything: money, a big car, and a beautiful apartment. But she wasn't happy. She felt like a machine running a race that never ended. One Sunday, she decided to visit her old professor, Mr. Harrison, who lived in a small house near the forest. When she arrived, Mr. Harrison was making tea. "Sarah, it has been years," he said with a warm smile. Sarah sat down and started complaining. She talked about the stress, the long hours, and the pressure of life. Mr. Harrison listened quietly. Then he went to the kitchen and brought out a large tray with a pot of coffee and many different cups. Some cups were made of expensive porcelain, some were glass, some were plain plastic, and some were even chipped and cracked. "Help yourself to some coffee," the professor said. Sarah quickly picked the most beautiful, expensive-looking porcelain cup. Mr. Harrison waited for a moment and then spoke softly. "Did you notice something, Sarah? You and the other guests all chose the beautiful, expensive cups. No one wanted the plain or the cracked ones. While it is natural to want the best, that is the source of your stress. The cup doesn't make the coffee better. Life is the coffee, your job, your money, your car. These are just the cups. If we focus only on the cup, we fail to enjoy the coffee." Sarah looked at her expensive cup and then at the simple coffee inside. For the first time in years, she felt a sense of peace. She was finally ready to enjoy her coffee.